Hello friends, this is Amitosh Acharya. Today I am going to talk about a very basic budget Android TV. This is iFalcon 32-inch TV. It is from TCL. It is a certified Android TV. This category of TV is a IPTV which predominantly uses internet to show the content. Let me tell you how it is boxed in India. It's YouTube. Supports Chromecast built-in, Bluetooth, Dolby Audio. We bought this TV because it was a small room and we basically only have a dimension which could be accommodated on the wall. It is a very basic TV. You got to see your requirement and accordingly see what fits your requirement. This is the first time we are going to use an internet-based TV. We needed to understand how it works, whether we could use it for our purpose or not. This is a very useful TV. We can cast our screens from Android phones. So it is basically Android operating environment. This is Android system and Android compliant devices. Chromecast works seamlessly. It is very useful for kids to watch comfortably on a bigger screen size the content which they watch on cell phone. Also, this can be screencast from iPhone devices using third-party applications which can be additionally loaded on this TV. This is a specially feature with this kind of smart TV that you can additionally load applications on these. There are other category of TVs which are sometimes called Android based and other smart TVs wherein there is no facility to additionally load the applications on the TV. So you have to test whether there are possibilities for your requirements to upscale on the TV. This basic TV supports that. The high-end TVs in the market which are Full HD, Full HD Plus, Ultra HD, 4K compliant and 8K compliant. So the cost level matches the value given by the product. So let me show you how it works around here. So there is a iFalcon logo. It takes some time to start up in internet mode. We primarily use this for internet content only. This is from Android ecosystem. Takes couple of seconds. For the screencast of what is on your Android phone to the TV, both have to be on the same Wi-Fi. So I'm not using cable, though the cable can be connected to it. There are ports available for that. So YouTube takes some time to show up. There is a Google Assistant, voice assistant which is available. There is Google Assistant. Okay Google, play Too Long My Lachi.
Okay, play Too Long My Lachi on YouTube.
We made you a promise that we would see you soon.
So sound is alright for the medium size, small size room. This is the remote which is shipped. It has got Google Assistant, some basic buttons which works pretty alright. From feature perspective, iFalcon is a standard by TCL brand. it is a feature rich. You should match your requirement with the features you require. On the warranty side of the things, it comes with 3 years warranty. I think I have a 2-year warranty. I don't feel like to buy additional warranty on this. This is a very basic product. You should study, compare it, but this is a alright product to buy. There's nothing wrong with the product. The exact model of the product is 32F2A. Wall mount and stand is shipped within the box and installation is free. The product comes securely packaged within a box with thermocol and plastic sheet. Main idea about Android TV is, for the available content you can watch it on demand. You can search the content at the point of your choosing, the time of your choosing, and play when you like it. It is on demand entertainment for the content available on YouTube and various channels. Old TV boxes, old LED TVs which are not smart can also be supported for Android TV by buying a basic Android TV box, which costs around 3000 plus, depending on the kind of features it supports and all the value add it brings in. The good thing about iFalcon is it has similar models as that of TCL, so a lot of configuration details, how to configure those YouTube videos are available in US market videos, so you get a lot of information from that as well. Configuring iFalcon TV is fairly straightforward and simple. This is your home screen. This is your settings button. Under this, you keep adding your family member Gmail accounts on this setting, and once they are added, those phones can be screencast on this TV. To take an example, we have this mobile phone. The same Gmail is added on the Android TV as well. This is Android Samsung phone. Now I want to watch a basic clip, how to shoot a short film. So this is playing on my video. Now I want to go and this is the icon, this icon, box icon. You click it, select the TV you want to cast on. This is the TV which is configured. Now this content starts playing directly on the TV. While you can keep working on other applications on your mobile. And you can start working on rest of the applications while this will keep playing on the Android TV. Friends, I have been using this device for last 2 months and I find it very useful and purposeful. This is time is about internet, and internet devices are going to be of use. Please consider, study it, evaluate it. I hope the information helps you. This is all for today. Please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.